off it.
Okay. When are we going to be taking them back?
Whoa, slow down. That's bouncing a little hot.
Yeah. Fishing? Huh? Oh, It's Megan and Brooklyn. Oh, they're over there. That's Dakota.
Megan!
Hey, he's about to hit the engine.
Megan! Huh?
Want me to grab it?
Oh, the rope came off.
Hey, disconnect that.
Disconnect the rope.
Yeah. Hey, Brooklyn.
Yeah?
I'll be right back to get you and your mom.
Okay.
Disconnect the rope.
Throw it.
Yeah. Pull the rope. Y'all got it. We're going to go for a ride a minute. Huh? You got to get off.
You gonna go fast?
So you get somebody on the queue going in fast and go like this right here. Make it fine. Fine right here. Hey, open that and see if there's water in there. Nope.
Nope. Good shot.
Now watch this. Hold up. Now watch this. Don't worry about that. It ain't like Bowie, you can't go around being stuff like that. It'll go a whole lot faster. It goes all right, don't it? You got to run down doing that.
We have to throw them off.
Yeah, this right here is fun when you're back there. You got to Hey, get that, Tom.
Oh, the what?
That's it. Yeah, put it under that seat. Put that under there. Oh, you got to make this lay flat and get the hose down in there sort of. Oh, God, yeah.
Oh, God.
Sorry. No, that one of them batteries only go to that little motor in case you ever run out of gas. You can use that to go.
How fast did that thing make the smoke go?
Not even this right here. About right here. About like this. But you're out and stuck and I guess that's how fast.
Whenever he hooked up the I don't know.
Hey, Brooklyn, go tell your mom I'm ready when she is for you and her. Brooklyn, go tell your mom you're waiting on her.
We're going to take another lap. Watch the buoy.
As long as white, you got a life jacket on, you can ride in the boat.
Wait, what that buoy? Could that buoy like damage your boat?
This white got a life jacket on, I can't. Put a life jacket on him! Put a life jacket on Wyatt! It's up there! Put a life jacket on Wyatt! Megan, you don't want on the tube with Brooklyn?
Can we throw Carmen off?
Carmen, you gonna ride with Brooklyn?
Carmen, do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
Keep that down.
Will the life jacket hold her up
Yeah.
so we can throw her off?
Yeah. No, I won't throw Carmen off.
What about Brooklyn? I want to throw someone off.
I know, so do I.
Well, is Megan not getting on the tube?
No, she's fine. Carmen, y'all getting on the tube? What? Megan. Carmen, is Brooklyn getting on with you?
We're getting on. So
Get on, Brooklyn.
I want to throw someone off.
Y'all, the Megan, throw that rope out this way out in the dock and I'll come and get it. She's getting warmed up now. Well, she's got too much oil in the gas tonight. I'm putting it on mixture. It still goes pretty good though. $4,000 for it. I wish it wouldn't rain so long. I'd get a babysitter for Wyatt and Bo.
Yeah.
Hey, grab that when she throws it.
Hold this.
Get that rope. Tell him to talk to you. Hurry.
Rope.
You want on a boat? In a minute. Damn it, Dakota.
Oh, sweet one. Hop in the water.
No.
No, wait, you throw it.
Y'all never threw it in a... Here,
Try
take your phone. I'm getting frustrated. You don't want me to have a phone in my hand when I get frustrated. Yeah, throw all that. Look, get the rope in the water. All right, I'm coming one more time. Sit down. Yeah, more time. Oh my God. I won't go fast. Can you get that rope? Get that rope. Oh, why don't you pull it back in? Oh.
Tyler, quickly. Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Huh? Who? No, we can't go then. Hey, wait. Hold on. You can't go without life jacket because I won't do it. It's against the law. Ready? No, that one.
Well, I want to take it.
Oh, I think this one. I don't know. See? Yeah, it's against the law. Fasten in everything because I could go to jail if you don't.
Carmen, Ricklin, we're going to throw you off.
Megan, put a life jacket on Wyatt and he could get on here. There's one right up there. Tommy's got it.
Well, how will we get White over here?
Because I'll pull it to the dog.
They could probably let him hop on the tube and we can just drag the tube over here.
I can pull it there.
Ah,
I
that's
can't help if you fall off. I ain't the one hanging on. You are. You putting a life jacket on Wyatt? Huh? We're coming around to get you and Wyatt right now. Y'all, we're going to make a circle and come to the dock. So we're going to go real slow about it, though.
Can we get one fast lap on him?
What?
Brooklyn, smile for the camera. Oh, it's coming off.
What? Grab it for
Guys, y'all guys almost got lost at sea. The rope almost came loose and y'all could have died.
Whoa! Hold on, I can't, I'm stuck. Come on, Wyatt. Daddy got you.
Where you want White to sit?
Right there. You could sit in the back. Come on, Dakota.
I'm sitting on the front. So right there.
Y'all ready?
I'm gonna sit
No
right
one on the boat with us? Tommy can get on here too.
there. White, you're sitting in the seat next to Daddy.
We'll get the baby and bring him up here. Come on, what? You got to sit down right here.
Man, it's actually nighttime.
Oh, you want to sit over here with Daddy? You want to sit with Daddy? Yeah. Tyler may want there. You want there back there? Because I got the baby now. Yeah, let him right there, Dakota. You sit back there. There's a reason. Now get over here and do what you're supposed to do. He's got to get over here and sit, Dakota.
I gotta watch them, make sure
He's
they
got
don't.
to watch them. Let me know if they fall off. That's his job. You know how it is. Somebody always got to watch the people back. You know that. You ready, Wyatt?
Pretty fast. Not going fast. You're running out of gas? Almost threw him off. You almost threw him off. Oh, you got so close.
Hold on, what are they? What?
Go
I
fast.
know, I slowed down.
They said go faster.
You say go faster? Go fast?
Yeah. I heard go fast. Fast? They said go fast. Heard that right? Yeah, I heard them say go fast, didn't you?
Yeah.
They said go fast. Yeah, they did. Speed.
Hold it. In a few minutes, we'll go sit with the lady.
We can throw Brooklyn and Megan off. Try flipping. I want you to throw them off. Can you throw Brooklyn and Megan off?
I thought, yeah. Whoa.
Oh, they're tilted back. That thing looks.
Sorry, don't touch that rope, don't touch it.
Look like it's slipping off.
That sucker ripped your arm off there.
Huh?
That rope ripped your arm.
Okay. What happens if it comes off? We'll throw them back.
Dakota, I'm gonna put you at the dock and let you go. If we can't be out here much longer, so you're gonna go film Megan, you're gonna sit with the baby while she gets on the tube, alright? You have fun? You're gonna get off the boat if you don't sit down right there so Daddy can jog with it. I can't hold him a minute. You put him over there. I can't do this. I can't do this if he's on me. Megan! Why didn't you leave him in the truck? Because Dakota was going to go up there and sit with him while you get on. Oh. Will one of them life jackets fit him?
Bye bye.